Ugh. Oh, shit. God shitting me. Also, why am I getting into the fairy tale songs? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Why are you here? Sure, like, get out. This is not your update. Or has that. Oh my god. Please, can I get something good? I know I've been out so long because of a dang, but like, please give me something, bro. I'm a crush out. Oh.
I'm gonna kill it so I don't get any of these costumes. Oh yeah, let's get something new. And this one I actually like, so... I'm gonna choke myself, please! Please, it's not funny anymore, please! Give me the French costumes! Le French, no! I'm going to lose!
Oh my god, let's go! I've been blessed! Oh my god, finally! Finally, I can be in peace now. Okay, now give me turn sugars. Why are you here? Gonna keep gambling. I hate my life. Okay, finally I can meet this motherfucker. Man, this game hates me. And still proceed to give me I'm gonna keep going here, because why not? Okay, maybe I guess I'll watch it. I might have been skipping a bit too long. Maybe my look will peak here. And this is why we don't stop gambling, folks.
Ooh, I see. Please give me something. Oh my god. Yay. Oh my. Yo, I can finally get the title 5 stars. Let's go. Gonna do it. Yo, let's go. I can finally get the potato 5 stars, baby. Hell yeah. La 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 la.